Hey everyone, welcome back to APS Tech, your spot for the latest gadgets and unboxings. If you are new here, don't forget to subscribe and tap the bell icon for more tech content. Today I am super excited because we are unboxing the brand new iPhone 17 Pro Max, Apple's most powerful iPhone yet. Let's get started. So here's the box. At the back side, here it is written iPhone 17 Pro Max Silver 2TB model, which is the topmost variant of the iPhone 17 Pro Max. On the front, you get a picture of the iPhone itself, and on the sides, you will see the iPhone 17 Pro Max branding. Alright, let's open it up without wasting any further time. So now let's remove the seal from the box. So you get two seals, one at the top and one at the bottom of the box. So now let's remove both of them. And wow, here it is, the iPhone 17 Pro Max in silver color. My first impressions, it feels super premium and slightly lighter thanks to the aluminium build. The iPhone 17 Pro Max comes in four variants: 256 GB, 512 GB, 1 TB, and 2 TB. And talking about the weight, it weighs 231 grams. And talking about the display, the iPhone 17 Pro Max has a Super Retina XDR display, 6.9-inch all screen OLED display. And in the box, you get a Type C to Type C cable to charge your device and a SIM pin. And as usual, the adapter is missing. And now let's charge the phone. Without wasting any further time, we will set our language as English. Select our country and region, India. And talking about the specifications, it includes a dynamic island as usual and always on display, Pro Motion technology with adaptive refresh rates up to 120 Hz, haptic touch. And talking about the water resistance, it is rated IP68, maximum depth of 6 meters up to 30 minutes of water resistance. It comes with the A19 Pro chip. And talking about the camera, it comes with a 48 MP Pro Fusion camera system. And here is the orange color and the blue color of the iPhone 17 Pro Max on the left side, and on the right side the iPhone 17 Pro. And here comes the iPhone Air, which is the new launch. And after that comes the normal, the basic iPhone 17. So which one do you like the most? The iPhone 17, iPhone Air, 17 Pro Max, or 17 Pro? Comment below your thoughts about the iPhone 17 Pro Max. And make sure to like the video and subscribe my channel for more amazing tech videos.